How to make Zenith in Terraria. So you'll need a full checklist of specific swords collected across the game. Some you'll already have from bosses, and others you'll need to craft at their required stations. So go through your inventory carefully and figure out exactly what's still missing. So to craft the Zenith, you will need the Terra Blade, the Meowmere, the Star Wrath, the Influx Waver, the Horseman's Blade, Sealer. You will also need the Star Fury, the Beekeeper, the Enchanted Sword, and the Copper Short Sword. So if you don't have all the items, just basically craft each missing sword at a specific crafting station, whether that's an anvil, a demon altar, or somewhere else. And once you've got every sword on the list, head to a Mithril or Orichalcum anvil. Then just scroll down to the very bottom until you see the Zenith right there. So combine them all in one recipe to forge the Zenith. So just a tip, keep a written checklist as you play so you don't accidentally sell or lose a required sword. Some are genuinely easy to miss on a normal playthrough, and that's how you basically make Zenith in Terraria.